Let's check out social media, yo-yo.
Let's do it. All right, our first one comes from Ray Zia F1, a VIP Facebook member. Adjustment of status, advanced parole and employment authorization document filed in June. Priority date June 21st, 2021. Biometrics October 29th, 2021. I'm an ICU nurse and received a job offer at a COVID ICU. The hospital strictly asked me to start January 3rd or I'll lose my offer. Is this eligible to file an Expedite for Employment Authorization Document?
Absolutely. Losing your job offer is a reason to expedite. The fact that you're a frontline worker, the fact that you're working in a COVID ICU, all reasons to expedite.
Okay, so how likely would it get approved and how long?
Be likely to get approved. Magic 8 Ball. All right, he's asking me to tell the future.
How long?
Will it be approved before January 3rd, his official start date? Magic 8 Ball says
it is
definitely so.
Okay.
Definitely so.
Okay.
So yeah, do it now. Magic 8 Ball says you'll get it.
Okay. Daryl Winneba on YouTube. My friend is getting married on Friday to a green card holder in the U.S., but she is a pending COS to, is it COS?
Change of status.
Okay, to F1 yet to be approved. Should they file the I-130? What should be the next steps or your advice?
She's marrying a resident or a citizen?
Green card holder.
The next step is get married, do nothing, get the student visa approved. Once the student visa is approved, start school, and then 90 days later file an adjustment.
All right, Leonoro Smith Brown on Facebook. How long does a husband have to wait to file if he marries a green card holder?
The next day.
Saliu Ba on YouTube. I'm applying for my N400. If you have ever been cited or arrested, do you have to show them all the tickets, such as running a red light, speeding, and that you've paid all the fines? How do I respond to them?
Go to the court where you were cited and get a disposition for all of your different issues and bring it into your naturalization.
Nikisha Ed on YouTube. Married to a LPR, my I-130 petition has been at NVC and DQ since June 2020. I've since received 5 emails from DQ to wait in line, but this has been 18 months. What can I do to get my interview in January?
Where is she?
It does not say.
I don't know where you are. I don't know if where you are the embassy is even open. I don't know where you are, how backed up the embassy is. I don't know where you are, how many people are actually working at the embassy, even if it was open. And you need a good humanitarian reason to expedite your case above everyone else who's also been waiting a very long time.
We've been here, XXZZ on YouTube. I was deported from the U.S. in 2011 for possession of MDMA. I have been living in Ukraine for the past 10 years. My wife and 3 children are American citizens. What are the chances for me to re-enter? I fear for a possible war in the country.
What was the first part of the question?
Was deported from the U.S.
Why?
in 2011 for possession of MDMA.
What's MDMA?
About to check, because I thought you were going to know MDMA.
That's ecstasy.
Ecstasy, okay. Molly.
All right. The answer is you can't return. If you were found guilty of possession of a serious narcotic, wife, kids, no kids, doesn't matter. You're not coming back, unfortunately. I'm sorry that Ukraine finds itself in this situation, but coming to America is not in the cards for you.
Niak on Facebook. I'm asking for my cousin. Her mom is a U.S. citizen and wants to start filing for her. What form should she file? She's over 21, unmarried, and she's living in the States as well.
An adjustment application. Who's filing for who? She wants
to
file for her mom.
Her mom is a U.S. citizen and wants to start filing for
my apologies. Not an adjustment, just an I-130 visa petition. And then you're going to be on a waiting list, and you may be 245I. You may have to do a provisional waiver. We'll see what the laws are. Maybe they change.
Marge Higgs on Facebook. Can traffic tickets affect my green card application or citizenship?
If you have enough of them.
Unatezi on Facebook. Can someone on the 751 file for his wife to come to America?
No, because you have a pending I-751. And if you got your green card through a U.S. citizen, you can't turn around and file for a new spouse for 5 years from the time you got your green card.
Joan Ambitious Powell on Facebook. Can I apply for an H-1B visa if I'm out of the status?
You can, but you would have to leave the country to get it, and it's unlikely you'd get a visa appointment. If you do, you probably overstayed and you get stuck.
Muhammad Monural Islam on YouTube. Up to what year and month has the Bona Fide determination been done for so far for U visas?
Not too many people.
Faiza Wasim Dar on Facebook. My F41 visa PD, February 2012, was approved last year in April. I got a welcome letter from NVC. When will my priority date become current?
Let's see what they're at.
All right.
Brother, sister, F4.
F4.
Visa bulletin. See what visa bulletin says. Visa bulletin. And the visa bulletin says right now that they're up to, in the F4 category, March 22nd, 2007. He's 2012, so you're years and years and years away.
Sheesh.
Jeez.
Gosh, 2007.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, Mimi Bell's on YouTube. Can one be granted any legal status on humanitarian grounds as an undocumented parent of 3 U.S. citizen minors who have been in the U.S. for a little over a year now?
Unless there's you having 3 children is not a humanitarian issue that would be approved. If you tell me, God forbid, your 3 children have huge medical issues, and should you be deported, they would have no one to take care of them here, take them to the doctor, and if you had to take them to your home country, they don't have the medical care in your home country to deal with this. That would be a humanitarian issue. It has to be that serious.
Don Harriet on Facebook. Will the ones who are not included in the act be sent back to their country?
No.
And last one, DJ China SA on YouTube. Can one safely leave the country with advanced parole after responding to RFE?
Yes. Yes.
Cool.
Cool. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.